Okay, can I check it? What you are expecting in the box 1? Sachin or not? Now can you go to your box 4? Now if I refresh the page, okay, where is my Sachin? Where is my Sachin? It is like a dot name, a dot name, a dot name. But my requirement is what? Sachin, right? Sachin, right? Okay, let's come back to our JSX discussion. Now in the app component, this part we can say like what? In the app component, this part we can say like what? Whatever the code you written to prepare the content, we can say like what? JSX, right? Why you think more? JSX, right? JSX is the combination of HTML, JavaScript and XML. Div is what? HTML. Div. Box. XML, right? User defined element, right? You created this one. Remaining all are same like that only or not? Come to this one now. Come to this now. Div is what? HTML, right? What about my A? It's a variable, right? It's a local variable to my box or not? Variable is nothing but what? It's a JavaScript or not? Yes or no? In your JSX, now onwards, wherever you written the JavaScript, that particular JavaScript code should be enclosed with an expression to get that values now onwards. Understood or not? In your JSX, wherever you use JavaScript code, that JavaScript code should be enclosed with what? An expression or not? Understood or not? Whenever you place in the expression, now my a dot name is like not a string, it is like what? JavaScript code. My a is which type? Object. In the object you are retrieving which property? Name property. A dot name is what? Sachin or not? So my first box should contains what? Sachin or not? Yes or no? Got my point? Okay, as per my requirement, my second box is what? Come on, my second box is what? Okay, N1 is not required, just leave it. My second box, tell me. Dhoni, right? Dhoni, right? Okay, how we can pass the data to the component? How we can pass the data to the component? Through attributes or not? When we can pass the data to the component? How you set like attributes? When we can pass the data? For example, box is what? A component. For example, this code is not there. Can I pass the data to the box? When we can pass the data to the component? Whenever the component loaded or not. While loading only we can pass the data or not. Here my box is loaded. That's the reason only, right? I can pass the data. Here component is not there. Still my box component is there. But how I can pass the data? How I can pass the data? Alright. So that my first question is like, when we can pass the data to the component? While loading the component. How we can pass the data to the component? In the attribute format we can pass it or not? Okay, another way also there, we'll see. Now tell me, the box, second box loaded or not? My second box loaded or not? Loaded, right? Okay, if it is loaded, can I pass the data? Yes or no? In which format? Attribute format. Attribute is nothing but key variable placed always in the open tag. So that what is the key and what is the value? What is the key and what is the value? Value is what? Dhoni is my value. What is the key? What is the key? I said key can be any. Value to which component? Box component or not? So that this data go to box component. Box component only one. This data go to my box component or not? Yes or no? My box component is which type of component? Functional component. It's a function. How one function hold the data which is coming from outside? Through parameter. Yes, that parameter also there. In this case, which kind of data this is? Key value pair. Key value pair, if it is like in an element format, we can say attribute. This key value pair go to JavaScript function. We can say like what? JSON or not. So that my A holds this x as a key and my Dhoni as a value or not? So how my A is looks like? My A equals to x, come on, Dhoni or not? Yes or no? Now tell me how we can get the Dhoni. How we can get the Dhoni? A dot x. Now tell me. You have to change like what? Come on. A dot x. Can I remove that one? Can I add it? A dot x. Now if I make it like A dot x, see what happened. It works for Dhoni. It break for what? Sachin or not? Then you want me to keep anything? I said like anything. But in this case, what you have to use? In this case, what you have to use? This is common for all, right? Use like name. Can you pass the Dhoni also with the same key only name? Then the time the change is required or not required here? Not required or not? My first box, my A is looks like what? My A, name and Sachin. So A dot name is what? Sachin. My second box, key is what? Key is what? Name only. What is the value? Dhoni or not? Now tell me how we can get the Dhoni. A dot name. So that no need to do any change. My values keep on changing or not. That is only our goal or not. So can I write here name? Can I write here also the same key name? If you put like another key, you understood the problem, right? There is no error. It is going to break remaining all or not. Okay, here. Come on. My name is like Kohli. Here also can I put like what? My name is like Yuvi. Done. Now can you come here? Can I refresh my page? Done or not? Understood or not? Okay, so that this is the way we can pass the data to the components. Okay, the first question is like when we can pass the data to the component while loading. How we can pass the data to the component? Through attributes. How many ways we can pass the data to the component while loading? How many ways we can pass the data to the component while loading? There has one more way also there. Two ways are there. One is like, so far we discussed like what? An attribute format, right? Another way is like as a children. That one we'll see later. Up to here, okay everyone? Come on. Okay? Okay then. I have one more requirement now. I want exactly like this. Okay, my name is Sachin. I am from Mumbai. Okay. Next, my name is Dhoni. I am from Ranchi. Okay. My name is Kohli. I am from Delhi. Okay. This is the text just I want to render at the time of loading my component. Understood or not? Whenever you run your page, this text is supposed to be visible in your browser. Tell me how we can do it. Come on. What do you want me to do? Whenever you run the page, simply this text has to be visible. That is my requirement. Tell me what you have to do. Can I write one HTML file first? Start from scratch. Players dot HTML. Done. Next. First what you needed? I need some space in the body, then only my content is visible or not. Okay. Inside the body I need some space. How we can get it? I need a container. So can I get the container? This is the container or not? Yes or no? Okay, next. Inside the container I want to place some content. That content how we can prepare in React? By using components or not? How many ways we can create the components in React? Two ways. One is like functional, another one is like class. Which one you want me to go? Functional. So that can I create a functional component? Syntactical, how it looks like? It is like a normal function only or not? Is my browser recognized by default this one like a component? No. Then who can help to my browser to recognize this one like a component? React library. So that can I load that React library? Yes or no? In general, component, why we go for that component? To prepare some content. So can I prepare some content? Okay, my name is Sachin, I am from Mumbai. This is my content, for example.